Yes. See, now we will see sum of 8 terms in 8, 16, 32, 64 series, right? This is actually our GP series. Now let's see what happens in this. What is the sum of 8 terms? So actually how we can know the term, what is the value of the eighth term, how we can know? First place 2 into 18 put equals to 16. So what is the number? Nana 3 plus one more time 32 plus one more time 64, 128, 256. So by keeping press on like that, we will get the value. So 1024 is the eighth term. So our step is ninth step here. The ninth step will give you the eighth term. Okay. Now how to calculate the sum of 8 terms? First press 8 plus equals to. So we have taken one value, that is first term. Then we need to take the other values, that plus press 2 into 8 equals to second term taken. So what is the number Nana here? It is 6. Okay. Third term, fourth term, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. So we have stopped at eighth term because we require only 8 terms summation. Now press on grand total GT button 2040. So 2040 will be the answer for this sum of 8 terms. So how to do Nana? First, take the value of 8 plus equals to, then 2 into 8 is equals to. Now the step is 6. We require 8th term. So go up to 6 more steps. Third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, 12th. The step number is 12 now. So all equals to. Now press on grand total. Grand total is the total of all equals to values. So 2040, 2040. So this is about our seventh term. And now seventh question. Next, we'll go to the another one, Nana. Computation of mean weight of 36 students. See, this I have taken from our study material, Nana, 15.4 page number. Example number is 15.1.2. So what they are asking us to calculate now, mean weight of 36 students. Mean calculation is very easy, right? Sigma by n. But here it is the mean weight, as they want weight. So class interval, we will take it, right? So those things, Nana. So the number of students they have given like 3, 4, 5 and all those things. Summation of these things will gives you 36. Now we need to find out the mid value in order to find the fx value. So formula is sigma fx by n. So in order to do these things, first, what is the formula? Make up your mind. What is the formula? Sigma fx by n. So first, in order to get these values, sigma fx should be required, n is also required. So we will do the sum, right? Okay. Now, first, whenever it is required, whenever we are calculating the values, start with the denominator. If you want to start with the, if you want to complete entire sum with the calculator, then start with the denominator value. So what is n value now? 36. So what is 36, Nana? Nothing but 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 8 will gives you 36. Right? So this is a 36 value, Nana. Now I will take this 36 into m plus, that is I am giving this 36 into the memory. Okay, keep it like that. Now what is this fx, Nana? Fx, what is fx here? See, fx in the sense we will calculate multiplication of number of students into the mid value. Is it right? So first we need to find out the mid value. What is the mid value? How to calculate it? What is the class boundaries? 44 plus 48 divided by 2 will gives you the 46. That is mid value. Now into number of students. How many? 3. Keep m plus now. 138. You can check the values also. Every value is here. You can check the values. 138. Now 49 plus 53 divided by 2 is equals to 51 into how many students? 4 plus m plus 204. You got it? Next, 54 plus 58 divided by 2 into how much, Nana? Into 5 is equals to 280. So we can calculate all these things. And again, you can press either the grand total, or either you can go for like adding differently or independently. It's up to you. But the most easiest way is 3 into 46. I mean, sorry, 46 means 44 plus 48 divided by 2 is equals to 46 into 3. Make this m plus, Nana, 138. Next, 49 plus 53 divided by 2, which is the midpoint, into 4 number of students plus m plus 204. 54 plus 58 divided by 2 into 5 plus m plus 280. Midpoint 59 plus 63 divided by 2 into 7 m plus 427. Midpoint of 64 plus 68 divided by 2 into 9 m plus 594. 69 plus 73 by 2 into 8 m plus 568. Pet MRC now. 2211 divided by 36. The value what we have got 61.416 something. So we can round it to 61.42. Clear, Nana? Next, we will take some assumed mean, right? So in that formula, if you see, this is also same taken from our institute study material, ICAI material, page 15.5, example 15.1.3, which is based upon the assumed mean concept. So first, what we required, there was a formula: assumed mean plus sigma FD, sigma F into D divided by N into C. Okay, N in the sense total of all these students or what it may be, into C means class interval. Nana. So first we need to find the sigma FD, right? So sigma FD means, so this one. So whenever you got such a equation, concentrate on BODMAS rule. BODMAS says that first bracket, division, multiplications, additions, and then go for the subtractions. In this way, we need to solve first in the bracket, within the bracket. So first to solve within the bracket, Nana. Sigma FD. How to get a sigma FD? F is there. D is like x minus A by C. How to get that? Very simple. Mid value. What is the mid value? First, we need to get the mid value. Okay. Mid value, that is x minus A by C into F. So shall we see now? Chalo, we'll do this. Very, very longest process. Assumed mean calculations under. So 419. How we got the 419? We'll see first of all. 350 plus 369, right, divided by 2 is equals to 359.5. This is the mid value, Nana. X value minus assumed mean 419.5 divided by class interval. What is the class interval now? Is equals to minus 3. So 20 is the class interval, is equals to minus 3 is the answer. That is the value of D, Nana. But we require F into D, right? Minus 3 into F. What is F value? 23. Now what is the answer? Whatever you will get, keep in memory. So minus 69. Come again, come again. We'll see, we'll see. Don't worry, don't worry. First, take the X value. How, what is the X value? Midpoint of class interval. How to calculate midpoint? 370 plus 389 divided by 2 will gives you the 379.5 midpoint. From X, we need to subtract the assumed mean, that is 419.5 divided by class interval 20 will gives rise to minus 2. Now into 38. 38 is nothing but a given number. M plus 76. Same. 390 plus 409 divided by 2. This is the X value minus assumed mean 419.5 divided by class interval 20 into how much, Nana? 58 m plus minus 58. Now, anyway, assumed mean row you can leave it off because that will get 0 itself. Leave it off. Now, coming to the next one, Nana. 430 plus 449 divided by 2. That will gives you the X value minus 419. That is assumed mean we need to subtract with dividing 20 as a class interval and into 65 as the frequency number. So we got 65 itself. 450 plus 469 divided by 2 minus assumed mean of 419.5 divided with the 20 into frequency of 31 m plus 62. Midpoint of last class interval, Nana, 470 plus 489 divided by 2 minus assumed mean 419.5 divided with the class interval 20 multiplied with the frequency 11 m plus 33. Now keep MRC button. We got the minus 43. Wow, super. Is it clear? Minus 43. So what is this minus 43? It is a total value of sigma FD minus 43. So keep it in the mind now. Minus 43. Right somewhere. Minus 43. Now sigma FD by n. N means all number of all these things, right? So 23 m plus 38 m plus 58 m plus 82 m plus 65 m plus 31 plus 11 plus how much, Nana? 308. 308 is a number. So 308, what is the value we got? Divided by equals to, that will comes to the numerator into 43 with the negative sign, right? So press on this plus or minus value is there, right? So press on this plus or minus value, that will give you minus 43 into what is the class interval we got? 20. Class interval is equals to 2.7. That 2 minus 2.7. What is the assumed mean we have taken in a plus 419.5 is the assumed mean. Now the answer is 416.707. This is the answer. Actually, this is MCQ, right? So no need to go such a long process. Sometimes when you are calculating, there might be some mistakes also. If they have given the table with missed data, of course, there is a mandatorily we need to follow. But if they ask just to the mean, then you can use this formula. I mean, use this way. What is that way, Nana? We will see this way now. See the same values I have taken now. Same values. Mid value we have to calculate, Nana. Mid value we have to calculate it now. Okay, 359.5. Everything you need to calculate. That is 350 plus 350 plus 369 divided by 2. 359.5 into 23 m plus 38 into 379.5 m plus 58 into 399.5 m plus 82 into 419.5 m plus 65 into 439.5 m plus 31 into 459.5 m plus 11 into 479.5 m plus. By pressing MRC, we'll get value of 128,346 divided by total divided by 308 will give you the value 416.707. Same value, right? So it's up to you to follow which method. But if they ask straight away just weighted mean, then you can go for this latest model what we have seen. Clear, Anna? Now, coming to this index numbers, very, very interesting and very useful. Actually, this is the meaning for the statistics, right? Anyway. So coming to this, Nana, simple aggregative index method and all those things. This is let it be like a P0 base year, the current year and the current year. So base year is 1998. Base year total na 20. Current year 24.6 for 99, 2000 also 24.6. They asked us to calculate the index value. How to calculate nana? Current year divided by base year. What is the current year? 2020. Okay, leave it off. Come into other one nana. 15 M plus 3.6 M plus 6 M plus MRC 24.6 divided by what is the base year nana? 20 is equals to 1.2 into 100 is equals to 123 is the index. Next, 24.6 divided by 20 into 100 is equals to 123. Very simple, right? That is why it is called a simple, right? Okay, so coming to the other one now. Index numbers, weighted average relatives. This is very, very like important point, right? What is this? Oh, this I have split it, right? I'm saying why it is coming like this. Okay, can you see the values here, right? Weighted average relatives, butter, milk, they have given some Q values, and PN, that is current year by base, everything. Now we'll see here 19 and 98 we want to calculate now. For the 19 and 98, I want to calculate now. So we will see what is the value it is going to be. So check it up. What is this Nana? Even this is also I have taken from our ICA metal only. Chalo. Now first calculate this 98 POQO. So POQO is this one. Okay. How to get 0.7239 into 100 M plus 0.2711 into 100 M plus. So how much value Nana? 27.11. I just saying only for two values. MRC. How much it is? 99.5. 99.5. Now, what is a 99 year? That is a current year. If you do that, what we will get? We will see that. Okay. This is not blink. Yes, ma. So there is one Excel formula mistake. So we'll see here. Okay. See. Now they want to calculate for index for the 19 and 99. So that is actual year, current year is 99 and the base year is 98. So like P1 Q1 by PO QO. So we have to take in that way, right? So we'll see this. So calculate the numerator value, denominator value separately by adding, by using M plus MRC formulas. That is better, right? So we'll use now. First use the 98 P0 Q0. So we have seen that 0.7239 into 100 M plus 0.2711 into 100 M plus 0.7703 into 100 M plus 4.6077 into 100 M plus 1.95 into 100 M plus something called 195. If you make the total 832.3. So we got this as a 832.3. And next, what is the values we got? 99, right? 99. How to calculate that one? 101.1 into 0.7239 is equals to 73 point something came. Correct. 101.7 into 0.2711 is equals to 100.9 into 0.7703 is equals to 96 into 4.6077 is equals to 442.34. 84 into 1.95 is equals to 163.8. So if you do this grand total, we'll got this 784.62. So entire numerator value we got divided by, just press MRC 832.3, then press equals to 0.94. See, without using any pencil, we have taken the values. We have taken the values entirely, but we got some 33 steps, but without using pen and pencil, we can do that, right? See, this can do possible only when you have a habit of practicing the calci. If you are doing newly, so you need some practice, or else it may chance of doing some committing some mistakes. So don't take that risk and all. Is it clear, Nana? If you have any doubt, go back to the video and just see again. Don't neglect it. Next, Fisher's index model, right? Very, very easy one. Very easy, really very easy. Very easy only. See, they will take all the probabilities, all the combinations of P0, Q0, P1, Q1. All the combinations we will take. Other than that, nothing will be there. We got the all values. See, in Fisher's index, 1 second. Can you see the page here? So this is the problem what I have taken. I think it is not visible. Are you able to see, Nana? Yeah, now it will come. PDF copy. Right. So this is some what I'm referring to in the example, right? So P0, Q0, P1, Q1, P0, Q0, P0, Q1, P1, Q0, P1, Q1. See, till now, what we have followed, the same thing we will follow. Current year by base year. Current year by base year. So first in the numerator, take all the P1 values, right? All the P1 values. You can see here. See here, P1, Q0, P1, Q1 divided by P0, Q0, P0, Q1. Is all clear, Nana? So for this, don't use any major M plus and MRC, because if you have committed any mistake, again you have to start from the starting. You have to start. So instead of that, what we can do is calculate what is the sigma P1 Q0 value, right? Separately. What is the value of P1 Q1? What is the value of P0 Q0? What is the value of P0 Q1? Actually, there is a trick, but don't go far beyond that. If you lack of practice, it may commit mistakes. So what is the value of P1 Q0? What is the value of P1 Q0? Calculated in a P1 is this, Q0 is this. So 3 into 6 M plus 4 into 6 M plus 2 into 9 M plus 3 into 1 M plus MRC. 63 is the value. Of course, we got here. So in the same way, calculate everything by doing this M plus MRCs and all. Is it done, Nana? Or else you can find out entire the numerator ones, entire the denominator ones. Even that you can do that. Whichever the way you feel, you can complete that. But do some practice about it. Whatever the method you want to follow, you can do some practice that will makes you perfect to use the situations. Okay. So how we can do? I'll tell you. First, go with the denominator only. What is the denominator, Nana? P0, Q0, P0, Q1, right? P0, Q0. What is the P0, Q0? 4 into 3, M plus. 5 into 4, M plus. 7 into 2, M plus. 2 into 3, M plus. MRC is equals to 52 value. Okay, Nana? So this is the MRC. Entire memory got empty now. So put 1 M plus. That is 52 is there now. Okay, leave it off like that. Now calculate the P0 Q1. P0 Q1. 4 into 2 equals to. Because someone already memory is there with the 52 value, we should not disturb it. 5 into 4 put equals to. 7 into 2 put equals to. 2 into 5 put equals to. Now keep the grand total. What is the value, Nana? 52. So you got the value, done. Now 52 into, keep one MRC, that is 52, is equals to 2704. So the denominator value is equals to 2704. Now we need to find the numerator value. Same thing we'll find P1Q0, P1Q0. 6 into 3 m plus 4 into 6 m plus 2931. What is the value, Nana? 63. So now the entire memory is clear. 63 is the value, P1Q0. Okay. Now take this into memory by pressing M plus. Now we have taken this 63 into memory. Now P1Q1 values, Nana. P1Q1. 6 into 2 equals to 6 into 4 equals to 9 into 2 equals to 1 into 5 equals to grand total 59. We got the grand total. Now do into, take out the MRC 63, put equals to 3717 is the numerator value. Now it is very easy, right? 3717 divided by 2704 is equals to 1.3. I think we need to find the square root, I guess, right? Yeah, square root. Then into 100 will gives you some value. 117.3 they mentioned. We got 117.244. See, by doing this calc is very easy, right? If you do practicing, it is very easy, right? And this time series, we got some 82 that is very, very easy portion for us that you can go through it. Yes. Trend nana, sigma xy by x square. So first we will find out the denominator values, x square. Okay, come with me. X square means where we will get 3. What is this minus 3? It is like deviation from the 2006 which we have taken as a base. For example, minus 3, so whole square, right? 3 into equals to, right? Plus 2 into equals to m plus, that is square will come. 1 into equals to m plus. 0 not required, leave it off. 1 into equals to m plus. 2 into equals to m plus because of square. 3 into equals to m plus, MRC. How much, Nana? 28. That is x square is equal to 28. Now memory is clear, but if you want, you can keep this in the memory by pressing with m plus. Now 28 is in the memory now. Okay, chalo. Now come to the numerator, sigma xy, x into y. Where is 60? 60 into 3. Tap on plus or minus button now. We got plus or minus button, right? Plus or minus button. Now tap on this plus or minus button. Minus 3. Put equals to minus 18. Then come to one more xy, Nana. 72 into 2 minus equals to 144. 75 into 1 minus minus 75. 0. Leave it off. 80 into 1 equals to 85 into 4. No, 85 into 2 equals to 95 into 3 equals to grand total. So yeah, I know some mistake I did. 1 second. XY we want, XY we want, right? So 28 also is gone, right? Wait, Nana. 9m plus 4m plus 1m plus 1m plus 4m plus 9 MRC. 28, right? So make this 28 separately. 28. Keep it in the memory. The value what we got, we kept in the memory. 28. Now do the value for xy. X into y. 60 into 3 put minus equals to minus 180. Yes. 72 into 2 minus 144. 75 into 1 minus 75. 80 into 1, 80. 85 into 2, 170. 95 into 3, 285. Put grand total 136. Good. Divided by, recall the memory, 28 is equals to 4.857. So without going with other calculations also we can do it. Right, Nana? So this is the things. So this is all about the main important points. Some points we'll see in these fractions also. 5 by 2 square. 5 divided by 2 square means 4. We can go straight away if you know the number. But if you don't know the number, then what we can do is first take the denominator. First take the denominator. That is a 2 into square means just put equals to. That's all. You'll get it. 2 square 4. Now this we need to take into the numerator, right? Divided by equals to numerator into 5 equals to 1.25. This one way, or else 2 is equals to make this into a memory. Make this into the memory by pressing on M plus. It will sit in the memory. Now plus 5 divided by MRC is equals to 1.25. Kindly check one more time. Okay, rewind it. 2 square 2 into equals to plus M plus 1 M plus 3 cube 2 times 3 times M plus MRC 32. So clear the memory now. 32 is the denominator value. Take this 32 into the memory M plus 25 divided by MRC is equals to 0.78125. So we can create this also. Again, if you want, you can do in such a another way also. 1 M plus 3 into 3 times M plus MRC we got, right? Just press divided equals to. It will, the denominator value will be converted into the numerator into 25 will gives you 0.78125, same value. Next, 5 cube 5 into 2 times 3 times into 4. So this will be the 500 divided equals to, that is 500 had been transferred to the numerator into 9 is equals to 0.018. So this will be the fractions. So for fractions also we can calculate using with the M plus M minus, I mean MRC formulas, MRC buttons. So this is all about our calculator main functions. So kindly watch the video carefully, do the things, and if you find any difficulties in these things, you can again contact us. And one more thing is, along with this video, you can see the attachments link is there in this description. There will be some Google Drive link will be attached here. Kindly go through it, and there are provided with some Excel sheets, I mean calculations practice sheets. So go with that, use those things, and do practice well, do the examinations well. Thank you, my dear. All the best. Take care of your examinations. Have a nice quality food. So yes, so this is about our calculator usage and some tricks and some tips. Okay, my dear. Thank you and have a nice time. Do well, practice well, and complete entire examinations. All the best, my dear. Thank you. Take care. Bye, Nana. Signing off.